to my channel. I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here. We're multicultural, we're inclusive, so if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have one of my little doll babies, hi doll baby, how are you? So happy that you are here. So I have a little wig show and tell for you today. I've already worn this wig, so let me just get Deets. You always have to have Deets. Deets. Okay, so we are talking about a Motown Tress wig, and this is DIAZ, and I have DIAZ in the color Copper. It says that DIAZ is a soft Swiss lace. She's a deep part lace, ear to ear lace. She seats save up to 400 degrees, and her finish length is 10 inches. I love that they put that finish length in there. She does come in a few colors, and I scooped her up from Diva Tress for $17.99. Let's talk about her. I love her. I love her. I love this color. She is there's a bit of texture to her, but it is a little bit of a silkier-esque wig. I wore her all day to a picnic like in a jillion degree heat. So A, she is really, really friendly for heat. But B, I didn't have any issues being too hot or anything like that. She is your standard cap construction, 2 combs in the front, comb in the back, adjustable straps. I feel like even though it's this like copper color, I think if you get it in a shade that you like, I fell in love with this copper color when I reviewed the Outre Everywhere wig. It was like 5 or 2 or 3, I don't know. I'll go ahead and put that up here. I reviewed that wig. I fell in love with this copper color. I'm not a fan of like red wigs in terms of like burgundy, but this, copper color is amazeballs. The hairline is gorgeous. I did have her sort of styled back. I will be doing a video on it, but I did use this In Styler straight up mini ceramic straightening brush. I'm going to do a separate video, but I used this brush and I love it a lot for just sort of combing it and putting it into place with heat. And like you can do like one of these, and look how gorgeous. So I will be doing a review on that soon. And what else do I have to say? It's very, very comfortable. I don't have her tightened too much, so I'd say it's an average wig cap. I am using the 2-in-1 wig grip and wig cap from Milano, and there is a review up on that as well. So for under $20, I would say scoop her up. Scoop her up in the color that you like. Great for summer, perfect for work, perfect for like lickety quick split. I just need to go down and get some coffee creamer because somebody always forgets to get it. And yeah, I think that this is a great wig. The density is very natural, very doable, very multicultural. So that is what I have for you for this little wig show and tell. If there is another Motown Tress wig you would like me to review, go ahead and check out my Motown Tress playlist down below, and then we will talk about what's not in there, and you can go ahead and request it. If you have thoughts about this wig, go ahead and put that down below. Let's have a conversation. And if you have subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!